Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So, hi guys. I just wanted to share. I just got me a little healthy haul because, if you don't know, I have kidney disease. I'm currently stage three. I'm a stroke survivor. I've had two strokes in the past. And what else? And yeah, I'm stage three kidney disease. Yeah. But anyway, make a long story short, um, I just decided that I really need to take my health um really serious, because I don't want to be on dialysis. Not saying nothing wrong with it for the people that's on dialysis, but if I can prevent from being on dialysis, yeah, that's what I want to do, right? All right, so I did a little haul from Food Line a few minutes ago. Hey, yo, food is so damn high. Food is high. I need some stamps. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna go over the items that I got and why I got them and whatever. Okay, so like I said, I'm really trying to start um being on a health journey. I'm 47 years old, and I got kidney disease, so and I suffer with high blood pressure, uncontrollable high blood pressure, which means take medicine, and sometimes it's still through the roof. But anyway, all right, so I got chicken breast. This damn chicken breast was almost $12. Well, I think that's pretty good for this big pack. What do you think? I think it's pretty good. So for my meat, I got fish, boneless fish, tilapia. Okay. I got 4 bags of broccoli. I love broccoli, and broccoli is really good for you. Okay. I got now right here. This is what I want to talk about. This right here is beetroot juice, right? You can get like the regular beets also to like blend them or juice them or whatever. Matter of fact, I just ordered me a juicer, and I can't wait till they get it because I'm gonna be doing videos. I'm gonna learn how to juice, so that's more content that come. But this juice is good, y'all. This is like my second bottle. Somebody put me on to this, and it don't have none of that, all that added bullshit crap. It don't have none of that. It's like pure juice, and it's really good. And beetroot juice is good for your blood pressure and a lot of other things. Okay. So I got lemons because I drink a lot of tea, and I like lemons in my tea. And also I'm gonna make a green juice for a kidney cleanse. So I need my lemons for that. Okay, then I got a pineapple. So for my people that suffer with high blood pressure and you on a low sodium diet, Mrs. Dash is gonna be your girl. Mrs. Dash, it's so many flavors out there, okay? So many flavors. I particularly like this one though. This one is the table blend. It's like a mixture of stuff. Okay, so I got turkey bacon, low sodium. Low sodium. What else? Oh, okay. I just started liking. I tried these. I went to somebody's house and they had them, and I tried them. But these are what are they? Kiwis. I like kiwis. I didn't think I was gonna like them, but I actually like kiwis, y'all. I like them. And then I got some sweet potatoes. All you gotta do is put these in. I put these suckers in the microwave. I wash them off and stick some little holes in them. Put them in the microwave, and they are good to go. Okay, so I got celery. I got some celery. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna use the celery for. I got parsley. That's parsley. And this one is cilantro. Now what I'm gonna do with the parsley, cilantro, and the celery is I'm gonna wash it real good, cut it up, and I make a kidney cleanse. And I found that on YouTube a couple weeks ago. So I was like, I want to try it. So that's gonna be another video. I'm gonna make it. So you use cilantro, parsley, and celery to make it, and with lemon. So that's why I got the lemon too. Okay. So I'm gonna make that on Saturday. I'm gonna film that too. So I think that complete my haul, y'all. I think that's it. Like I said, if y'all out here and y'all got all these kind of diseases and blood pressure and like kidney disease and heart disease and all that, y'all get healthy and start exercising. I just started exercising a couple weeks ago, and I've seen a big difference in my blood pressure already. Just 15 to 30 minutes a day. Like I can start walking too, because it's not really hot now. So you can walk outside, you can walk in place around the house. I got stairs. Sometimes I just walk up and down the stairs and get my steps in, but there's so many ways that we can get healthy. Because I don't know what they're trying to do to us out here. Well, I do know. And you know too what they're trying to do. They are poisoning all the food. My goal, my dream one day is to get a lot of money, buy me some land, and plant my own damn food. But all right, guys, so that is my haul for today. I hope y'all have an amazing day. If you not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And okay, I'll see y'all guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.